going to be installing the TapeTech finishing box EasyRoll wheel replacement kit. The part number is EZROLL-KIT. On the back you can see all the boxes that fits on. This is a TapeTech only kit. It fits on just TapeTech boxes. So as we know, on all of the TapeTech boxes we have what we call EasyRoll wheels. So these are used for running corner beads, corner trims. Guys use the boxes for running joints, but they also run corner trims and beads with the boxes. On all of TapeTech boxes, whether it be a standard Easy Clean box, the Max box, Power Assist box, or certainly the 15-inch box, they all have the same wheels on there. To replace those if you need, and that's what this kit does, we're going to show you how easy that is. A couple tools that we may need. I'm going to use my TapeTech kit here. There's a nut driver in here. It is basically the size that fits on the wheels. You just basically turn this and loosen it. You can use a ratchet or a wrench if you want. We don't recommend using pliers. And just basically unthread this. Now there's several parts, so there's little washers and things, so make sure when you take these off that they don't all just go flying if you're on a job site or something. So we want to keep them in order, because when you do the kit as it is here, there's a lot of different parts in there. So I'm just going to remove both sides. Put this kit on here. Okay, so we can see you have a washer. I'm going to pull the nut out here, the bolt out. Inside of here, if I can get this part out to show you, there's a nyliner. There's a piece of nylon that it basically lets this part ride on there without wearing. So that would go after the bolt, and then you have actually the wheel itself. So that's kind of the order that you place these parts on. Open this up. Got a nice little plastic kit here. You can open up and get the parts out. I will say in this kit, you have the same parts. So again, you're just laying these out in order. There's a nyliner, there's a washer. It just helps to do this so you remember the path or how you put these in or how you take them apart. Get these parts out of here. So we go through here, that way like that. So there are a couple extra O-rings, wheels. These slide onto the wheel, so if you need these are spares. Should you need them, if they get flat spotted or worn, you can keep those as spares. So what we're going to do is first take the nyliner, put the bolt through it, push it through. Now there is a little notch right here on the wheel, and that'll line up with this nyliner. There's a notch here as well, so you can see it's right here and right there. And this just slides right in, pops right in there. And then you just put your little washer on there and then install it onto. And again, when you're installing things, just make sure your thread's correct. You don't want to cross thread. Nut drivers work really good. Just turn it in, tighten it up, pretty easy. I'm going to repeat the same on this side. Put the nyliner into the bolt, line up the plastic notch with the wheel, put our washer on, here, and then thread it onto the axle. And being careful not to cross thread. Tighten it up with the nut driver till it's snug. That's how you replace the parts, the wheel kit on the boxes.